21st annual day of daffodils. Could there have been any better theme? Kahani Veerta Ki, the story of courage. Each one of us is fighting a battle, inside or outside. चलो सबकी कहानियाँ साथ में सुनते हैं. कहानी वीरता की.
For me, Veerta is all about courage, overcoming the hurdles and facing the difficult situations with whole vigor and coming out of it. Thank you.
अपने दोनों बच्चों को संभालते हुए अपनी खुशियों और अपने ड्रीम्स को पूरा करना ही मेरे लिए वीरता है.
So for me, Veerta is bravery in action, mind and in spirit.
है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज चंद्र की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड. सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव, तुम ये सोच लो। वो दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव, तुम ये सोच लो। या कि पूरे भाल पर जला रहे विजय का लाल लाल ये गुलाल, तुम ये सोच लो। रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो, या कि केसरी हो ताल, तुम ये सोच लो। जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत, उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो। भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में आज, आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड।
Good morning, everyone. Namaste. This year, our theme is कहानी वीरता की, जो लड़ सका वही तो महान है. Today we will show you stories of courage, bravery, and strong hearts. Stories that teach us to be brave. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Namaste. A very warm welcome to teachers and parents and their friends. We have gathered here today for our annual day celebration. Our annual day is called Jasna, a celebration of joy, learning, and togetherness. Thank you. आशा जश्न खूप खास आहे. या काळातून आपण शिकणार आहोत धैर्य, हिम्मत आणि छान व्हॅल्यू. तुम्ही सगळे बसा, आराम करा, आमचा प्रोग्राम एन्जॉय करा. थँक्यू. आज हम मिलकर पिता की कहानी देखेंगे. ये गाना हमें सिखाते हैं इनमें सबसे बड़ी ताकत होती है क्योंकि प्रिया आराम से बैठी है और ताली बजाइए और जश्न का पूरा आनंद लीजिए. थैंक यू.
चलो थैंक यू बोलो.
कहानी वीरता की, हर दिल को ये बताती है, साहस की ज्योति जीवन में जलाती है। डर के आगे जो कदम बढ़ाता है, मुश्किलों से जो कभी ना घबराता है, जो लड़ सका हर परिस्थिति से, वही सच्चा वीर, वही महान कहलाता है। आरंभ है प्रचंड। What a beautiful start to a beautiful day. Isn't it, parents? Aram girls and the welcome speech kids from nursery gave the most amazing start to this morning. Yes, I can totally hear the excitement, right? Speech was said by Aditri, Avir, Kia and Kavin from Ginny Nursery. Aram dance was performed by Krisha, Misha, Naira, Simrat, Drishti, Anvi Kadam, Meher, Elena, Avika Nambiar, Anika Jain, Anya Saha, Avika Kulkarni, Harnoor, Prisha, Anika Menon, Shravasti, Avika Singh, Shriya and Anshika. Namaste, dear parents, grandparents and guests. It is my honor to welcome you all for Jashna, our annual day celebration filled with inspiration and determination. Today, it is not just a celebration, it is a celebration of strength and the fearless hearts of our children. We are truly grateful to each one of you for taking out time and joining us on a Monday morning. My name is Harsha Vijayan and I'll be your anchor for this fine morning. I feel privileged to take you on a beautiful journey, a journey of courage, strength, and inspiration as we present before you some stories that celebrate bravery, resilience, and the fearless spirit that lives within each one of us. वीरों की कहानियां हमेशा याद रहती है, हाँ कि ना? आइए जुड़ जाएं हमारे साथ. Let's all get together and watch a कहानी वीरता की. Are you ready? From the soil of our nation have risen stories that inspire generations. Stories that awaken the strength, power within us. Stories of unity, belief, and bravery. A journey of a warrior celebrating spirit, values, and courage. And that powerful journey is called Kahani Veerta Ki. Let's celebrate with loads of enthusiasm, pride, and big applause, parents. तो चलिए फिर इस वीरता के जज्बे को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और इस जश्न के उत्साह को दुगना करते हैं स्लोगन लर्न करके. For a recap, let me see who all remember the last year's slogan. Are you ready? कोशिश करने वालों की. Awesome, that is awesome. So coming to this year's slogan, it is decorated on the podium for you to read. It says, जो लड़ सका वही तो महान है. Come on parents, जो लड़ सका. I cannot hear. जो लड़ सका. That was amazing. Thank you for being so awesome, parents. Before we proceed further, let us begin this wonderful day with Stuti, an offering of prayer along with lamp lighting ceremony with some of our teachers, senior KG babies and grandparents of Agastya Jay, Ivan Bagaria, Avir Deshmukh, Nakul Aprajit and Ridhansh Sonavane. Having grandparents on the stage to bless our event always has a special place in our hearts. Thank you so much for your love and support, dear grandparents.
Saraswati Namo Namo Namah, Shri Siddhi Vidayaka Namo Namah, Ashtabhinayaka Namo Namah, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Saraswati Namo Namah, Ma Saraswati Namo Namah, Vidya आज का काम प्रभु कर इस धरती को चमन बनाए हम गांधी गौतम राम कृष्ण बन जाए हम कर इस धरती को चमक बनाए हम गांधी गौतम राम कृष्ण बन जाए हम हाँ गांधी गौतम राम कृष्ण बन जाए हम हमारा हो वर्ल्डम पे नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु मातृका की सेवा और सम्मान करे उनकी खुशियों पर सब कुछ कुर्बान करे माता पिता की सेवा और सम्मान करे उनकी खुशियों पर सब कुछ कुर्बान करे उनकी खुशियों पर सब कुछ कुर्बान करे यही हमारा का अच्छा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु हाँ करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु
Lighting of the lamp. Stuti, because every great beginning deserves light. Just as this lamp glows steadily during the celebration, it shows awakening of wisdom, victory of good, and spark of courage within every heart. As the lamp shines before us, we symbolically invite positivity and peace. May our children's mind shine with knowledge and their heart grows with kindness. Having grandparents on the stage reminds us the continuity. Values flowing from one generation to the next. Having their blessings with us throughout the program brightens and fills our day with positivity. We are grateful for having you all on the stage, dear grandparents. We are blessed to have Vaishali ji with us today, who has been beautifully accompanying us on the harmonium. At the age of 73, her enthusiasm and love for music is truly inspiring. She continues to share her passion by teaching music to more than 35 children, spreading joy through every note. Thank you, Vaishali ji. Let's give her a big round of applause, parents. Prayer was sung by Riyansh Dubey, Aditri, Sankalp, Ivan, Trishan Sharma, Shravin, Mihira, Agastya Kaushik, Ayan, Yugdev, Saisha, Neha teacher, Shashi teacher, Sumana teacher, and Megha teacher. Thank you so much, dear grandparents, for gracing this occasion. As we begin this day's first performance, I would like to mention that each performance you all see today carries a story and a meaningful message. They are here to share beautiful values through their performances. So sit back, enjoy the performances, and observe the lovely stories unfolding on the stage. On that note, it's time to have the Bhakti Utsav by our senior most daffodilians, our senior KG babies. When we speak of faith, one name that fills countless of hearts with love and devotion is Lord Vitthal, the compassionate form of Lord Krishna, who stands patiently on a brick waiting for his devotees. When devotees walk miles in the Wari singing abhangs with full surrender, it becomes not just a journey but a celebration of faith. And today, with same devotion, we begin this morning by offering our prayers to Lord Vitthal. With pure devotion, our senior KG babies invite us to clap, feel, and chant along, Vitthal, Vitthal, Jai Hari Vitthal. So let us not just watch, let us feel. Let us not just clap, let us connect. Feel the rhythm of devotion and allow this divine energy to fill this auditorium today. It's time for invocation dance by Ginny Seniors. Vitthal म्हणजे भक्ती, विठ्ठल म्हणजे श्रद्धा. भक्ताच्या प्रेमातच विठोबा वास करतो. जिथे नामस्मरण तिथेच विठ्ठलाचा आशीर्वाद आणि त्या भक्तीच आपल्याला मिळतो खरा आनंद. The dance will be performed by Arya, Avir, Agastya Ajay, Aiden, Alea, Anika, Esha, Ridansh, Ishanvi, Kabir, Rudransh, Samyak, Trishan Sharma, Shravasti, Avyukt, Devit, Gauransh, Avni Sharma, Nirvi, Reyansh Dubey, Sankalp, Swarnim, Vidit, Rushita, Arvi Surkar, Avika Kashiv, Nikhil, Reyansh Arora, Rishi Gumala, Trisha, and Yadni. Parents, are you ready? Senior KG babies, are we ready?
जय हरि विठ्ठल. बहुत पुरानी बात. पुंडलिक का एक सेवादार बेटा था. ये उस समय की बात है जब पंढरपुर एक तीर्थ नहीं बना था. पुंडलिक अपने माता पिता की बहुत सेवा करता था. पुंडलिक अपने माता पिता की सेवा को ही अपना उच्च और परम धर्म मानता था. भगवान पांडुरंग पुंडलिक की सेवा भाव से बहुत प्रसन्न हुए और वो आ पहुँचे पुंडलिक को दर्शन देने. पुंडलिक, पुंडलिक, उन्होंने आवाज़ लगाई, देखो मैं स्वयं आया हूँ तुम्हारे घर दर्शन देने. पर पुंडलिक नहीं मुड़ा क्योंकि उसके माता पिता उसकी गोद में सो रहे थे. भगवान पांडुरंग खड़े रहे इंतज़ार में. उन्होंने फिर आवाज़ लगाई, पुंडलिक, पुंडलिक, देखो मैं आया हूँ यहाँ तुम्हारे लिए. स्वर्ग छोड़कर मैं तुम्हें दर्शन देने आया हूँ. पुंडलिक, पुंडलिक. खड़े रहे भगवान, इस जगत के स्वामी खड़े रहे अपने भक्त के इंतज़ार में. भक्त, क्योंकि भक्ति सिर्फ मंदिर में जाकर नहीं होती. माता पिता की सेवा से बड़ी कोई भक्ति नहीं. पुंडलिक, पुंडलिक. पुंडलिक ने एक ईंट उनकी तरफ सरकाते हुए बोला, आप इस पर खड़े रहिए, मैं अपने माता पिता की सेवा के बाद आऊँगा. भगवान खड़े हो गए. भगवान खड़े हो गए उस ईंट पर इंतज़ार करते हुए. सुबह हो गई. पुंडलिक ने मुड़कर देखा, भगवान पांडुरंग सारी रात अपने भक्त के इंतज़ार में खड़े थे. वो गिर पड़ा उनके चरणों में, मेरे प्रभु आप थक गए होंगे, मैं आपके पैर दबा देता हूँ। ये है कहानी विट्ठल भगवान की, जो अपने भक्त के इंतज़ार में आज तक उस ईंट पर खड़े हैं। पता है क्यों? क्योंकि जितनी ज़रूरत भक्त को भगवान की होती है, उतनी ही भगवान को भी भक्त की होती है। फिर वहाँ आई रुकुमाई। वो आई भगवान के पास और कहने लगी, चलिए अब और कितनी देर यहीं पर रहेंगे? भगवान बोले, नहीं नहीं, अभी नहीं। देखो आवाज़ आ रही है, मेरे वर्कर ही आ रहे हैं मेरे दर्शन के लिए, मैं अभी नहीं आ सकता। खड़े रहिए आप, मैं जा रही हूँ, वहाँ पीछे जाकर बैठी हूँ। ये बोलकर रुकुमाई पैर पटकती हुई चली गई। क्या आपको आ रही है आवाज़? वर्कर ही आ रहे हैं।
एक ओढ सतत मनी व्याकुळ होतो देह, एक ओढ सतत मनी व्याकुळ होतो देह, आतुर असतो फक्त वारीच्या आगमनासाठी। जसा आला होता वैकुंठीचा राया तुकोबाच्या भेटीसाठी। इंद्रायणीच्या काठापासून ते चंद्रभागेच्या वाळवंटापर्यंत तू असतोस आमच्या सोबत, नाचून धुंद झालेलं पाहण्यासाठी। स्वतःच्या कामाला पांडुरंग मानणारे काही थकलेले भेगाळलेले देह असतील तिथून तुझ्या वारीचा सोहळा अनुभवतात। कारण तुझे काही मधुकरी ते काम आमच्यासाठी करतात, तुझे दूत म्हणून। त्यांचा अट्टहास पूर्ण झाला। फेसबुक दिंडी माझ्या गाभारी, माझी पंढरी।
देवाची द्वारी उभा क्षणभरी, देणे मुक्तीचारी साधी गेल्या। हरिमुखे म्हणा, हरिमुखे म्हणा, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी। सांधली ग देही विठाई नांदली काठ अभंगा बांधली ग देही विठाई नांदली तुझा गजर हरिनामाचा झेंडा रोवला तुझा गजर हरिनामाचा झेंडा रोवला वाळवंटी चंद्रभागेचा काठी डाव मांडिला वाळवंटी चंद्रभागेचा काठी डाव मांडिला विठूचा गजर हरिनामाचा झेंडा रोवला विठूचा गजर हरिनामाचा झेंडा रोवला वाळवंटी चंद्रभागेचा काठी डाव मांडिला वाळवंटी चंद्रभागेचा काठी डाव मांडिला
तुझ्या विना वैकुंठाचा कारभार चालना एकला विठुरायाला हो संसार पेलना तुझ्या विना वैकुंठाचा कारभार चालना एकल्या विठुरायाला हो संसार पेलना ये ग रघुमाई हे भक्ताच्या माहेरी सावलीच्या पवलाने विठूच्या गाभारी ये ग रघुमाई हे भक्ताच्या माहेरी सावलीच्या पवलाने विठूच्या तुझ्या विना वैकुंठाचा कारभार चालना एकल्या विठुरायाला संसार पेलना सकलाची आई साता जन्माची पुण्याई घेई पदरात आम्हावरी छाया धरमाई तुझी थोरवी महान
मुखी तुकोबाच्या मुखी तुकोबाच्या मुखी निळोबाच्या मुखी निवृत्तीनाथाच्या विठ्ठला 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 पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला विठ्ठला गजर माऊलीचा गजर माऊली 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 विठूचा गजर हरिनामाचा जयकारो विना जयकारो विना तुला साथ आली तुझ्या लेकरांची अलंकापुरी आज भारावरी वसावारीचा घेतला पावलांनी वाळवंटी तुझी सावली गळा भेट घेण्या भीमेची निघाली तुझ्या राम घोषात इंद्रायणी भिडे आसमंती ध्वजा वैष्णवांची उभी पंढरी आज नारावली तुझे नाव ओठी तुझे रूप ध्यानी जीवाला तुझी आस गाला गली जरी बाप साऱ्या जगाचा परी तू आम्हाला करांची विठू माऊली दर्शन व्हावे आता तू सकल जगाचा त्राता हे खुशीत गा माऊली तुझ्या पायरी ठेवतो माझा माऊली 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 पुंडलिका वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ महाराज की
That was truly divine. That gave me goosebumps. For a moment, it felt like the whole Pandharpur had come alive right here on stage. Isn't it, parents? A huge round of applause for our senior KG babies. Thank you, Ginny Seniors, for this beautiful spiritual performance. एक बार slogan हो जाए? एक बार ही slogan हो जाए? Okay, जो लड़ सका No, I cannot hear. जो लड़ सका Amazing. Every institution has a guiding force, a vision that shapes dreams into reality. And at Daffodils, the strength, that vision, that determination comes from one remarkable leader. You're right. She's compassionate and stands tall with clarity and purpose. Her vision builds the future. Her dedication inspires teachers, and her goal is not to grow school, not just in achievements, but in values too. Let me call upon the principal director of Daffodils Preschool, Neela Manchada, for the annual report 2025-26. Can we hear for her, please?
So how was Vitthal? Yes, such a huge statue of Lord Vitthal at Upwan Lake in Thane. It was a big coming to our city, and we thought of taking it as an invocation dance this year. May I hear it for my sweethearts one more time? Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So, time for annual report 25-26. Namaste. Veerta. Every person sitting in the auditorium today is a veer in my eyes. Every child sitting in the backstage, eager to come show you their performance, is a veer in my eyes. Every teacher silently praying that her children do well on the stage today is a veer in my eyes. Every Didi working tirelessly to make sure all needs are met is a veer in my eyes today. What a theme it is. Kahani Veerta Ki. All people here today are fighting some or the other battle. Some battles are within, some outside. Whenever we are in a situation of a fight, we feel surrounded in some darkness. It's in this darkness, dear parents, that the seeds sprout. We all know this about seeds, don't we? When it is in the darkest possible environment, yeah, I like that. When it is in the darkest possible environment, it sprouts out the best. That's the foundation that drove us to pursue this theme today. Join us in this very beautiful Veerta journey. In the world of education, Veerta is nurtured quietly. It is seen in a child's willingness to ask questions, to try something new, to rise again after a small failure, and to grow a little stronger every day. The year gone by has been a beautiful journey of nurturing strong values and laying strong foundations for the future. With deep gratitude to our dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and our wonderful students, it is my privilege to present before you the annual report for the academic year titled Foundations of Courage. Talking about foundations, we start with values: respect, kindness, gratitude, empathy, friendship, discipline. These are all foundations of what makes a person. This year at Daffodils, all our values were not just taught through songs or stories, but they were lived and experienced on a daily basis. Values build a big part of our curriculum. It's very important and it makes a difference. It's the foundation. Foundations are the root of what makes a person. Now let's talk about foundation of learning. At Daffodils, we believe learning goes far beyond textbooks and rote knowledge. For us, the true foundation of learning begins with curiosity. When children feel free to ask questions, explore, discover the world around them. Throughout this academic year, through play-based activities, hands-on experiences, and engaging classroom moments, we tried to make learning joyful and meaningful. Along with building early literacy and numeracy skills, we encourage children to observe, imagine, and think for themselves. By creating a warm and supportive environment, we hope to nurture in every child a lifelong love for learning. Foundation of resilience. We believe resilience is an important part of a child's growth. In the early years, children learn himmat and perseverance. When they are encouraged to try, make mistakes, try again, through play, group activities, and everyday classroom experiences, they learn patience, problem solving, and how to handle small challenges. Whether it's learning a new skill, solving a disagreement with a friend, which happens almost every day, or coming on stage for the first time, these moments slowly build their confidence and strength. In this way, we help our children grow into individuals who face life with courage and determination. Let's talk about our annual events. All events at Daffodils that are taken up so wonderfully, with every detail kept in mind, every thought put across, and every moment truly celebrated. Our annual Sports Day Parvaz, Daffo Bazaar, Bazaar with a Cause, where each and every one of you sitting here participated so gracefully. Grandparents' Day, having all Dada Dadis, Nana Nanis in school, blessing our corridors with their love and happiness. Annual picnic with the help of TMC, our Daffodils special events Hunar and Kala for senior and junior KG children. Participation in these celebrations was 100%. Enthusiasm, 100%. Excitement, 100%. Love, 200%. With these events, children learn so many things. They learn how to perform in front of an audience, how to participate with confidence, and how to work together with their friends. Most importantly, they learn togetherness, joy. Participating in these events is making kids dependable, resilient, and hardworking, and also bringing in a lot of shishtachar, that's discipline. These moments become beautiful memories for our children and meaningful learning experiences that stay with them for years to come. Talking about festivals, I stand here with my head held high with pride when I say every festival, almost every festival celebrated in India is also celebrated at Daffodils, leaving no stone unturned. We celebrate with decorations, songs, assemblies, glamour, and we make memories. Children learn through these festivals about our country's parampara, learning the importance of what keeps our heritage alive in the generations to come. That's what it means to be at Daffodils. Coming up festivals Gudi Padwa and Ramzan Eid will also be celebrated with the same enthusiasm. This year's graduation day, what do I talk about this? We will be sending off a batch of 80 outstanding senior KG children. 80 children, yes, ready to face the big schools. This lot who joined us after COVID, very special to our heart. Each and every senior KG parent sitting here, please listen it from me. You have a very special place in our heart because you trusted us when nobody was trusting anyone. After COVID, it was not very easy for you all to part with your children. You trusted us at that time. We will remember this all our life. 80 children ready to face the big schools, ready to take their first big steps into education, stepping out with strong foundations, and will always be called a daffodilian from their heart. Am I right, senior KG parents? I want to add a little poem here. वो जो आते हैं अपनी चोट लेकर आपके पास, वो जो आते हैं अपनी चोट लेकर आपके पास, उस चोट को आपसे सहलवाने, उस चोट पर आपसे पारी करवाने, वो अपनी चोटों को खुद सहला लेंगे, ये बच्चे बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो जाएंगे। सिखा दीजिए इन्हें जो हमेशा से आपके मन में था, मैं ये सिखाऊंगी, मैं वो सिखाऊंगी अपने बच्चे को। सिखा लीजिए आपके मन में जो भी था, ये बाद में आपको सिखाएंगे, ये बच्चे बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो जाएंगे। Live their childhood today. I should take a moment here to mention our guests of honor, Rukmini teacher, the founder member of Daffodils, Das sir, Lalit Manchanda, teachers from Euro School. Thank you for your ever-loving support. We can always rely on you for anything the school needs. Let me make a mention here about the tie-ups. It's the first year when Daffodils decided to hold hands with a few schools around the vicinity, with Euro School and Orchids International as our tie-ups and great relations with many more. We are blessed to have their support in times of necessity, and they have been a great help to our parents for grade 1 admissions. Special thanks to our grandparents of the day, grandfathers of Agastya, Nakul. Ridansh grandfather couldn't be here today, and grandmothers of Avir and Ivan. आपकी स्टेज पर आने से जश्न में जान आ जाती है. Thank you so much for coming here today. And it's time for some felicitations. Put your hands together to welcome our Deepa Patel teacher. Deepa teacher has completed her 5 wonderful years with Daffodils. A teacher with a great drive to do the best for kids every single day. May I call upon Anupama teacher to felicitate Deepa teacher. Deepa's smile, encouragement, and creativity binds kids to her effortlessly. She has a great bonding with her children, of all senior KG children, not senior KG-B alone. Deepa, we are looking forward to many more years with you. Thank you. Let's now have loving, welcoming, chirpy teacher of chirpy class, Shabana teacher, who has completed 5 beautiful years with Daffodils, who not only loves kids a lot, but also wants to do more and more and more for them. Congratulations, dear Shabana teacher. We are looking forward to the next trophy, completing 10 years. We love you so much, and we are extremely proud of you. Next are our 3 powerful, extremely relentless Didis. Surekha Didi completed 18 years with Daffodils. It took us a long time to convince her to come to the stage. Namrata Didi. So many years, very long journey. Sapna Didi. Sapna Didi joined us when she was really small, young girl, and today she's here taking care of our babies now. We cannot imagine a single day without them in the school. They not only take up responsibility of their respective class, but also many other important duties of running the school. Didis, we love you so much. Next, I want to call upon the most famous trio, HAD. On the stage, Harsha Anupama Dhwani, to say a hello to all of you. Do you know why? Yes, the applause says it all. Because they sleep daffodils, they dream daffodils, they wake up daffodils, they breathe daffodils, daffodils runs in their veins. And they do not talk anything other than daffodils. HAD, you guys are amazing. We love you 3 a lot. Thank you, dear parents, and our honored guests for being here today. Your presence is very important to those little eyes who are waiting to impress you. I want to conclude by saying, while you are enjoying the performances of my babies, do not miss their beautiful expressions. Do not miss their eyes roaring out confidence. Do not miss their courage in performing those tiny stunts. Do not miss seeing that they are singing aloud all the songs while dancing. Do not miss observing the enthusiasm, the enjoyment that they are experiencing. Clap for them as much as you feel like. You feel like dancing? Do it. You feel like hooting, whistling? Do it. You feel like saying once more? Say it. You feel like giving a standing ovation? Give it. Do you know? Do whatever you feel to encourage these little performances of the day, because they are our babies, your and my babies. Let's celebrate them. Let's celebrate their childhood. Thank you. Have a wonderful Jashna.
Thank you so much, Neelam teacher, for that inspiring and insightful report. Your determination truly represents the spirit of Veerta. May our school continue to grow in values and confidence. A big round of applause for Neelam teacher, please.